Yes, sir.
So if you remember, I said you like in yes, previous session, like it's very easier to add an element. Okay, you can see here when you want to add an element of a different data type, then you don't have to pass any data type here. Like you can see here, let me show you the difference. When we add a string, I'm adding all the string data, right? It will going to accept all the data as a string. But if you do not add anything here and you just write down list, you can add a data as well here. So here, based on that, you can do it, right? So here, um, you can just print it, and based on that you can access it. So there are two ways we have seen in the linked list. First is how you can add multiple data of a different data type with the help of add function, and another is your how to access the element. So to access an element, what function we're going to use? I told you, right, what function we use to access an element. What
Get.
function? Yeah, correct, get function. So I have already shared the link in the chat. Save it with you. Tomorrow I will going to see every program, these two linked list program. Okay. These are very simple programs are there. You just have to make a small changes in place of data type. Means here you don't have to take a data type when you want to save a different data type data. And you just have to print it. Once you add an element to the list variable, you can just call this list variable, you just print it. So you will get all the data, right? So this is a way of adding an element. What if you want to check if the linked list can having any element or what, or is it is an empty? Then in that case, what function you're going to use? Suppose if you want to check it whether the linked list is empty or it is having an element, what function do you use? So let me see that. Let's see that. See this program one by one I'm telling you, because these are all the programs usually asked in the interview. So don't leave any program. All the programs you try it in your system, so you will get an idea what actually the program function is, how you're going to run it. So you will have a collection before the interview. When you will go for interview, just go through all programs so you will remember. So see here, whenever once you add an element, if you want to check if any element is there, so how you can do it? You just have to call this contain function, list.contain hello 20 gigs. So based on whatever element you have added on the list, how you're going to check? You can just write down list.contain hello. So if hello is present, it will going to check. Yeah, you can see here hello is not present, so it will going to show you false. 20 is present, so it will going to give you true. Gig is present, so it will going to give you true. So it will going to give you true and false. Here what function we are using? We are using predefined function contain, just like a get function, add function, remove function, clear function, sort function. There is one contain function that will going to check what content, that is going to check whether this particular content hello is added to the list or present in the list or not. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So these three programs you tried. So tomorrow I will going to start vector part. We're going to see vector and all. Okay. Do all these three programs that I said you. I've already shared the link on the chat. Please copy this link. Go through this program. It's very simple how to add an element, access an element, get function, how to check whether the particular element is present here or what. Because in the interview they might give you a problem, and that how you're going to check the element on the collection, then you should remember this function. That's why I'm giving you this assignment. Do this all three program. I will going to check in every system tomorrow. Okay, is it
Okay, sir.
okay? Okay, so please ask me the doubt wherever is not clear. You can ask me in tomorrow class. We're going to connect. I will going to confirm timing by tomorrow morning. I will going to send it on the chat, and I will going to confirm you the timing. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye everyone. Take care, and please practice these three programs daily. You do 3-4 programs, so you will get an habit of understanding the topics and function. Okay. Okay then, yeah. Bye everyone. Take care.